like dashing. She likes dashing. She likes.
What's up, guys? My name is Oyin Damola and I am live at Street Food Fest. Now, if you know me very well, you know apart from Amebo, my two favorite things are food and street music, and we are having a combination of the two today, and I'm super excited because we're going to be paying money. It's not easy. So stay back, watch, and enjoy everything we have for you today. Don't go anywhere. It's Oyin Damola reporting for Plug TV. At Street Food Fest, that place where food meets good music, and you know what, I'm going to be going right there to talk to people, so don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Yes, so I have a very beautiful girl in the house with me today at, you know now, as we are doing it. Good evening, how are you?
Hi, good evening.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I can see that you are here to, to groove and to. So what are you expecting from today's event?
Well, to have fun basically, and to see various participants, at least the finalists, to see how they put through.
Okay, so what artists are you looking forward to today?
Tenny.
Tenny Makanaki. What's the weirdest food combination you've tried?
That'll be yam porridge and beans porridge.
Yam porridge and beans porridge. Have you tried it? Today, how are you? Good evening. Can we meet you?
My name is Teniola Bakari.
Before we continue, are you a foodie like me?
Yes.
Ah, another foodie in the house. Okay, so what are you looking forward to tonight?
Eating a lot of food, street food like boli, plantain, yam, rice,
Oh,
chops, rice.
Jesus. In fact. So are you like a vendor or?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you selling?
Small chops, rice and turkey, chicken, anything.
What's the weirdest food combination you have tried?
Noodles and bread.
How? If you are here and you eat noodles and bread, stay away from me. One last thing. Let's be body together. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait, Tanya. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Hey, it's not easy. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
So what are you doing here today?
I'm here to support my friend. She has
What
a
does your
store,
friend
yeah. Small chops. Yeah.
It's like I'm gonna be eating a lot of small chops.
Yes, and grills, we have turkey, we have chicken, we have a lot of things you can imagine.
So what's the weirdest food combination you have tried?
I think boli and salad.
I'm done here.
It's very
Called. How is boli and
like complete salad with egg and oh my god. You don't know nothing.
Nigerians be wilding.
You know we like to be innovative.
Can we play body together on that body and salad? Let's play body. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! call 911 because we're on fire. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
I like the way you look at me. You come like, So what are you expecting from today?
Okay, nothing really, but I'm a foodie. Oh, so I visit every food fest, you know.
Give it up for foodies. Give it up. Anyway, so what's the weirdest food combination you have tried?
Okay. Weirdest. Basmati white rice and ilala sekpo.
I'm looking for the best position to think about this.
Yeah, basmati white rice and ilala sekpo, like seafood okra mixed with pepper and stuff.
How do you eat rice and ilala
But
sekpo?
really, it's really nice. You need to try.
How do you what cult do you belong to? You must be a cultist.
I was very hungry and then I had those two different stuff.
So it does,
You know, I just had it
Anything
good. Yeah, anything
Food is
goes.
now. It's not
Food is
easy.
food.
Thank you very much.
Bread and noodles. Yeah, it was weird, but it came out nice though.
How many people have eaten bread and noodles? Because we've had like a lot of bread and noodles today.
Trust me, a lot of people. Yeah, sure, right.
No, I don't agree with you. No, bread and what?
Funny thing is that I was screaming no when I first heard it. I was screaming no. Now when I finally tried it, it's actually nice though.
Nefeko, Fat, Christopher,
Augustine.
reaction on so as well, and Martha, representing Abuja.
Contestants, you have 30 minutes left. 30 minutes left.
to go. Use the lemon zest. People in the really red. I don't want to distract you, but well done. Master of Akara Cafe.
Give us outside the ball. Mark by me now.
This has to be good.
Mark by me now. Fair go. Mark by me now.
I'm hungry. In fact, we should put timing into this.
Ewedu and beans. It's drawing now. I think if you don't. It my fuck. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. If you go to find the drop, Ewedu and beans the best of my
Don't try this at home. And this will send you to the hospital.
Good. You can't just put it on the plate. Presentation is very important.
Bad English, Abby. No, the street lava. So apart from the coach and chef tasting the food, me and Big N, we've nominated ourselves. Coach Dabs and Chef Ate are the judges tonight. So you have to impress them. Healthy food, healthy cooking,
Delicious cooking.
and the food must be sweet. Listen, if you know what it means to get a lot, you know what it means for you to get a lot. Have you ever woken up and the first thing you see is a lot on your phone? You know the joy in your heart. All together is nice. I beg, Big N, next team, who's next? Are we good, man?
us to finish the
Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause, brand manager, Devon Kings, Toyin Bobola. And the guy that got caught anything, I mean, you saw him on the video with 90.
So judges, what we are
Jackie
looking
Chan
for.
of cooking. Ladies and gentlemen, chef, enter. You're gonna taste the food. Sonia, you can pick it up from here.
Judges, what we are looking for, we want you guys to taste the food. Like you said, Coach Dams, we are looking for innovation.
Check this out.
DJ Big N. DJ Big N. When you're big,
You're big, I beg.
Also to season the chicken.
Oh my dear,
And you have to choose the peanuts you use. Don't go use those dry ones.
I can taste the lemon. Disagree with me. This looks good. I would buy this 100%, but I haven't tasted it yet, Sha.
This is what street food should taste like.
Wait, we need to check what? This you have to check it, leave it.
But testing this, I'll put my money on it. And just like I used plantain, it was consistent. But I found out today with sweet potato.
Oh, this one mad.
Hold it together. I should have used
like a binder.
I should have used the nut to mash it with the sweet potato. That would have held it together. Presentation, fantastic. I would not have imagined you can put your rice in between green pepper. So it's something I'm saying for the first time, which makes sense to me. And then the lime comes out well as well. So it's not too much. Everything blends well for me.
Have some sweet potato.
What do we have?
We have sweet potato stir fried with vegetables.
Are you ready to turn up? Are you ready to turn up?
So how do you feel? Like how do you feel?
I feel good. I like the idea. This is the maiden edition, and I mean it supports businesses, supports local businesses, it supports small and medium scale food vendors. I mean it's just fantastic. I really like the idea. So I'm here to support.
You're here to support.
Yeah.
So what are you looking forward to this evening?
Everything good. Every single thing. I wish I could have a little piece. You called me a foodie earlier, right? So I wish I could have a little piece of everything, but you know, I got the one I got. So
What did you get?
Chicken and chips.
So can you take a bite into it? Let's feel the sensation.
No, I don't share my food.
No, I'm not taking. I said, can you take a bite into it?
Been taking.
No, into the chicken. I like that feeling when your teeth enters the chicken, the flesh, and yanks it off the bone. And oh Jesus.
No, that's private. That's private view for me alone.
Yeah. Are you Nigerian?
No, I'm Puerto Rican.
He's from Puerto Rico. What's the weirdest food combination you've tried?
Weirdest food combination? That's strong. Oh. Chicken and chips and fish.
I said weird.
Weird. Wait, now hold on. I'm bringing up the combination.
Oh, okay.
Chicken and chips and fish, beer. I think I collabed it with Semo and Egusi. That was in my NYSC camp, so that's crazy.
Together.
Well, life.
Look at his face. When you see him run. So one last thing, because this is like a straight event, so we're going to be going body.
Okay.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Give us space.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Hey! That's Jackpot.